Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 4090 is making strange noises and losing suction, it's likely due to a blockage or a failing motor. Over time, debris can accumulate, causing the motor to strain, which not only affects performance but can also lead to more serious damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring these symptoms can result in costly repairs down the line. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by ensuring your device is unplugged. To open the Conga 4090 safely, locate the screws at the base of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove them, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing, taking care not to force it, as this could damage the clips. The faulty component is usually the motor, which will be located near the suction inlet. To locate it, follow the wires from the power source. Once you have identified the motor, disconnect any cables attached to it. Be cautious when doing this to avoid damaging nearby components. To extract the motor, you may need to remove additional screws that hold it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver again for this task, applying a steady but gentle force. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor from its housing. Take your replacement motor and position it in the same spot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place, again being cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the component. Reconnect the cables you had previously detached, ensuring they are securely fastened. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the casing back onto the base of the unit, making sure all clips are seated properly. Replace the screws you initially removed to secure the casing. Once everything is back together, plug in your Conga 4090 and run it for a few minutes to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises and check the suction. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to clean your vacuum regularly, checking for blockages and ensuring that filters are maintained. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your Conga 4090 significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.